y'all, so we're gonna jump right into this one. Do you see the knots and the lace on this? I'm already excited. So I decided first that I was gonna bleach the knots because I feel like that's a necessity to test out when you are testing a new hair vendor. If your knots can't bleach, then you need to throw the vendor out the window. That's essential. You gotta have them knots bleached and they gotta be bleached to perfection. So I'm just mixing up the mixed bleach, showing y'all the wig. And that wig, I swear to everything, was so full, so thick, amazing. So I'm already in love with it so far. So here I'm now adding the mixed bleach and stuff to the lace. So I mean, this process is pretty much self-explanatory. I start from the back because generally in a lot of wigs from vendors, the knots typically are thicker from the back, so I want the back to process more than the front, just so the front doesn't get over bleached or whatever. But yeah. And y'all make sure y'all get that edge too, because a lot of times you miss the edge. But here I am just, covering it with foil, yada yada yada. And then I waited, I want to say about 20 minutes, and it seemed like it was pretty good. So here you'll see that I'm rinsing the bleach out using my neutralizing shampoo and stuff. You want to really work that in there, y'all. That's important. And then I'm rinsing it out. So far, so good. Then I'm gonna take my purple shampoo. I mean, it's a necessity. It's definitely a necessity when bleaching knots, for sure. So I'm really trying to work that in there. And then after this, I'm gonna rinse it out. Rinse it out really good because it a lot of times be in the cap and still in the hair. But and look at those knots. Here's a close up that I took. They look so good. Oh my god. So now here what I'm doing is taking some conditioner because a lot of people miss this step. Whenever you bleach your knots or wash your wig or whatever, it's important to condition the hair always. Always, always, always. So I'm just trying to dry it now because I plan on styling it. Oh, and here I am. I'm styling it. I decided to curl this wig. This wig curls so beautifully, so flawlessly. I think this vendor might be a lucky contender for sure. Just look at how it. Oh my god. Yeah, yeah. I pretty much like it. So I just decided to do a quick little curling on this wig or whatever. It's gonna be styled in the middle part. Nothing too crazy, but you know. And don't mind me, y'all. I'll just be taking my time sometimes. You can speed it up if you like. But yeah, I comb out any naps that may be in the hair or whatever. And here, I'm just showing you how I curl it. When it's at the bottom, I kind of curl it going upwards, if that makes sense. You guys can see what I'm doing and the way I'm holding the hair and the curling iron. But it just glides so smooth on the barrel. The natural luster of this hair is amazing. Amazing. Like, honestly, I was in awe. So I think this could possibly be one of my new hair vendors. So we'll see. Since I am just styling this unit, I haven't tested how well it can bleach just yet, but I will be doing that next. And like and comment below if you would like to see a video of how I test that out. So already you can see how beautifully this is coming out and like the natural luster of the hair. All I did was apply heat protectant into this hair and curl it. I didn't do anything else. See, as you can see, the heat protectant, and then now I'm curling. That's it. And just in case you wanted to know, I used the Fantasia heat protectant spray, and it can be found in my Amazon storefront linked in the description box, or you can get it at your beauty supply store. And here's the finished product. Here's what it looked like before combing out the curls, and here's me combing out some of the curls, and look at how beautifully that came out. Thank you for watching.